Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this fragrance that I won in a giveaway by Jeremy in the contest Date for Men by Fragrance One. I didn't thought that I didn't think that I will win in this competition. He also deleted his video of the competition of the fragrance giveaway after a week. So yeah, I saw that there is a giveaway by Jeremy, and I felt that I must do a video to participate on this competition, and so I did this, and I just won. I saw I sat on my couch, and suddenly I saw that I won. I saw a video by Jeremy, and I clicked on it, and I had that feeling that I won. I don't know why, but I had that feeling, and I tried to make this video funny as possible, and to all of you guys in the world that I just tried that you guys will enjoy it, okay? So yeah, so after I won the giveaway, he sent me the fragrance really fast, something like 2 days or 3 days, I don't really remember, but before I start the video, I must say that Jeremy really is a very good guy. I didn't think that it will send me 100 ml of this fragrance. I thought it will send me something like 10 ml or 50 ml max, but he sent me the 100 ml, and this fragrance costs 220 euro. Yeah, this fragrance is really expensive. So Jeremy, really thank you. If you see it, big thank you on this one. Okay guys, so let's open the fragrance. You see in the box Date for Men, okay, and this is what the bottle looks like, a picture of the bottle. This is eau de parfum concentration, okay, and it is 100 ml, like I said. This fragrance, I see that it is made in Germany, okay, and here you have I think this one is the batch code, okay, 3469, yeah, 3469, and here you have the ingredients and all this stuff, and the website of Jeremy, Fragrance One. So yeah, just before I start the unboxing, I will tell you guys what ingredients on this one, okay, the ingredients. Okay, so you have here the top notes of juniper berry, Mandarin Orange, Bergamot Lemon. The middle notes are Cardamom, Patchouli, and the base notes are Vetiver and Agarwood. Oud, okay. I think that it is very small, the oud here. So like I said, let's unbox this fragrance. Okay, I will show you. So here is the bottle, guys, basically black. So here you have the Date for Man, the writing, okay. Here is the cap. I saw online that it is not a really expensive cap, it is really cheap, but all that matters is what's inside, okay. So I don't care about the cap. Eau de parfum, okay, here, Fragrance One, of course, and made in Germany, of of course, and 100 ml and all this stuff. Yeah. On the websites and on videos, I didn't see that that you can see the juice inside. I just saw a black bottle, but I don't know if you can see, but you can see the juice inside. Okay, so yeah, I'm really glad that you can see the juice. So yeah, let's open the cap. Okay. Here is the cap. Yeah, like they said, you can bend it, and I don't want to do it, but you can bend it. It is very simple, and yeah, very simple cap. Not really, not heavy. Okay. Here is the atomizer. The atomizer looks a bit strange, but I'm sure that this atomizer is a good one. Okay. So yeah, let's spray, and I will give you exactly my first impression of this fragrance and what I think about it, and if I find it a bit similar to another fragrance. Okay, I will tell you guys exactly what I think. So if you want to buy this one in the future, you will know exactly what I think, at least. Okay, my impression. So yeah. It gives me a bit similar vibes from another fragrance that I smelled in the past. Oh, this one reminds me of something, and not ultra male. Many people say that this one is similar to ultra male, but I don't think that this one's similar to ultra male. At least in the opening, okay? I don't know, guys. Not 1 million. I don't know, but it reminds me of a fragrance that I smelled before, or a smell that I smelled before, and I don't know exactly what it is. Okay. I'll spray another one. It reminds me of something. Okay, I will say I don't know what this fragrance reminds me, but I will say that I think it is not too sweet. I don't know. Many people on the internet say that this one is really sweet. No, it is not really sweet. There is a sweetness, but it is not overpowering at all. It is really pleasant and nice. I don't know. It's a bit fresh, a bit sweet, but yeah. I don't know why, but it reminds me a bit of a hotel. Something like if you are going to the hotel and you are going to the elevator, you're coming to the elevator, okay? You are entering the elevator. It reminds me a bit of this smell. Something like vacation on the hotel. I don't know. This one gives me these vibes. But it is really nice, okay? And yeah. I must say that the price 220 euro. No, it is not. I don't. In my honest opinion, okay, I don't think that this one worth 220 euro. No, this one smells like 60 euro, 70 euro, maybe max, but not 220 euro. Yeah. So yeah, this one is for the seasons. I think. I don't know. Many people say that the dateformen is for the winter and the fall, but I don't know. I think I can wear it on the summer or on the spring and summer, very easy. I don't know. It is very versatile for me, very versatile, and yeah. Some people say that they can get vibes of Versace Heroes. No, I have Versace Heroes here, and no. I don't know. It reminds me a bit of a fragrance that I tried before. Yeah, I will update you guys in my final review. If Date for Men is similar to something specific that I smell, but I think so. I think that this one smells really similar. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give it a like, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you for the support. I really appreciate the support from you guys, and take care. I'll see you on my next video. Okay, bye.